my gosh! Oh! We are at Santos Village in East Dundee, and we're going to Santa Springs. This is the water park. We want to ride all the slides, so let's go! Some of our favorite summer memories are made splashing around together. And today, we're heading to Santa Springs Waterpark. We'll explore the Lighthouse Harbor, race down the 3-story slides, and relax in our cozy cabana in between. Then we're taking on every slide to crown the fastest and the slowest. Plus, Santa's Village is kicking off sweet summer nights when the park stays open late. Now let's dive in and find those slides. Welcome back, Chronicles crew. You have Carl here. If you're not familiar with the channel, we're a family travel vlog. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places. We're here at Santa's Village. It's super cold, isn't it? All right, the fan is here. So after you go to the entrance, you kind of have to go down to find Santa Springs. The good part is that it's for the same price. You don't got to pay any extra like other places. This is our first time here, so we don't really know what to expect. We're always doing the coasters, so we've been here twice before. So now we're gonna want to show you what they have around here. All right, we have a mission now. Our mission is to ride all the slides here at Santa Springs and see which one is the fastest. Right when you get in, you'll see Lighthouse Harbor. This massive 10,000 square foot, 8-inch deep wading pool is perfect for the kids. The 2-story interactive play structure has dozens of water toys and 2 giant tipping buckets and a bunch of water slides. The giant pineapple distracted us from our main mission. Pineapple! 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 So it looks like it comes from there, fills up with water, then it tips. Uh-oh! Ah! The new thing is there are cabanas. They have different sections here. So we're gonna walk around and figure out where we want to keep our stuff. If you want to make your day extra comfortable, Santa Springs offers 4 types of cabanas. The first is the shoreline seating area. 8 of these are available right by Lighthouse Harbor. They seat up to 4 people and include a shade umbrella. Perfect for staying close to the action without baking in the sun. There are also 4 coconut cabanas, which is also located near Lighthouse Harbor. They seat up to 7 people and have a private patio with lounge chairs, and even include a lockbox for small valuables. For larger groups, Buttons Bungalow seats up to 12 people, and it comes with electricity for charging devices, a lockbox, a mini fridge stocked with 6 water bottles, and plenty of space to spread out. And the final one is Poolside Paradise Cabana, the biggest of them all, seating up to 20 people. These come with electricity, a lockbox, a mini fridge stocked with 10 bottles of water, and a perfect poolside view. So if you're interested in getting the cabanas, it is much cheaper during the week than the weekend. But with all the people that's here today, it's really packed. Even the parking lot was crazy. That I think we're going to do one of the cabanas just to make it easier on us and keep all our stuff together. And since we're season pass holders, it's actually cheaper for us to get this also. There's a discount associated. And this is where you would get the cabana at the lifeguard store. We were able to secure coconut cabana number 3. So we got to wait for them to open it up. But before we show you the cabana, Gabe and I wanted to show you the slides at Lighthouse Harbor. All right, Gabe, which one? Help me find a good ride here to ride. We're riding all slides today. All right, Gabe. All right, this one I'm gonna race you, okay? Let's go. All right, we got a person to open it up, number 3. All right, so it's a coconut cabana tour. So let's see what we have here.
Right here we have a sitting area so you can lay down, get some drinks while you watch The kids play in the pool. Perfect for coming for a day and just relaxing.
They have a table for 4. The one thing that I do like is having this table, so if you do get snacks like a hamburger or some chips or some adult drinks, you can just chill here in the shade, especially my wife. She is very fair and burns all the time. Melissa got us some fun drinks.
Fun drink, clink.
What is this? What'd you get me?
I got you an orange slushie, and then I got myself a pina colada slushie with rum.
Hey, fairs to relax also, right? But I think one of the most things that I really enjoy that is the biggest thing is this lock. So you can put a code in and keep your valuables as you go into the park. And I think that's probably my favorite part of the cabana. So there's like a cabana. So it's pretty spacious. Where we going, Rosalie?
The big slide. Wait, guys.
The slides right here are 3 stories tall. There's a red and green one called Caribbean Curl. The green and white is Spearmint Twist. The red and white is Peppermint Twist. And the newest slide they have is Coconut Competition, but this one's still under construction and hopefully it'll be open soon. Now let's see which one is the fastest. Oh my gosh! Come on! Oh my gosh! Oh, it's a lot faster! Oh, the second half! Oh my god! Oh, this is crazy! Oh, it's cold! I heard this is the slowest one! Oh, it's very slow. Come on. Doop doop. Alright, so how's everybody doing? If you're gonna come here, the green one is the relaxing one and the slowest. Had to push a little. Here it is. We got one more slide to complete our challenge today. Alright, we're gonna do the indoor one. Yeah, let's go! Let's go, everybody! Make sure to subscribe! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh! So after riding all the rides, here is the final verdict. So the fastest is easily the closed one with the slits on it. So fast. The slowest is gonna be this white and green one. I wasn't sure if I was gonna make it all the way down. After we wrapped up the time at the water park, we changed into our regular clothes and made our way over to the rides. Since summer is winding down, Santa's Village is celebrating with their Sweet Summer Nights extended hours. The park closes at 7 p.m., but the amusement park stays open till 9 p.m., which means more time for thrills. Right as we walked in, we ran into one of our viewers, which is always a surprise. All right, it's been a fantastic day here at Santa's Village, but look, we ran into one of our viewers.
My name's Josh.
You saw some of our videos before?
Oh yeah, I love the safari one around the Wisconsin-Illinois border. I gotta keep it local.
Yeah.
We had Pirates Cove, which is a local one for me. Loving it, Carlos.
Yeah. So it's great to have somebody be able to, watch the videos, and I'm glad it's helped you. That's really the purpose of our channel. We kept the fun going, hopping on ride after ride, making sure we were in the perfect spot for the sweet treat giveaway at 7:30. The free ice cream absolutely hit the spot on a hot summer night. Rosalie and the kids finished the evening dancing with a live DJ, enjoying music, giveaways, and those perfect end of the summer vibes. That was a fun day. We got to cool off at the water park and then meet one of our viewers and also get some free ice cream. Now that's a good day. So I love how they make this such a family-friendly place. So if you're looking for some fun time, come here to Santa's Village. Click the video link right here if you want to learn more about the thrill rides here at Santa's Village.